My name is Isha Dabas, and I welcome you all to the GDSC-DCE Orientation session for the tenure 2022-2023. Basically, we are waiting for a few more attendees to join. With that, we will start with the session. Please be patient. We will take another 2 minutes and then we will start. Thank you. So, hi everyone, welcome back. So, my name is Isha Dabas and I'm the GDSC-DCE lead. So, thank you all for joining today's session. And thank you for being such a patient audience. So, this particular session will be a very helpful session for everyone, those who don't know about GDSC. So, this will clear all your doubts and you will also get the chance to interact with our former leads. So, thank you for joining. Moving on. DP, next slide. So what actually is Developer Students Club? So Google Developer Students Clubs are community groups for college and university students interested in Google developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. By joining a DSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. One of our goals is to bridge the gap between theory and practical application for student developer. And to do that, we all are present here today. What is GDSC-DCE? So basically, Developer Student Club is the first technical club or community at Dronacharya College of Engineering. And it is helping numerous students to bridge the gap between theory and practice by connecting them with the relevant opportunities so they can grow their knowledge and build effective solutions. With this, let's meet the core team members for the 2022-2023 batch of DSC-DCE. And hi everyone again. My name is Isha Dabas and I'm the GDSC-DCE lead for the current batch. And I'm really thankful for you all to join today. You all are requested and to share your point of views, your ideas regarding GDSC or anything you have in the comment section. Next, we have our web development leads for the current batch, that is Mukul Sansanwal. Mukul, you are on mute.
Sorry. Hello everyone. My name is Mukul Sansanwal. I'm CSE third year student. I'm your web development lead for the session 2022 to 2023. Now I would like to call Shivam. Shivam, please.
Hello everyone. My name is Shivam. I am from third SEM CSIT and I am the web development lead for 2022 to 2023. Thank you.
Moving on. Next, we have our app development lead for the current batch, that is Harsh Vatsal.
Hello everyone, myself Harsh Vatsal. I am in third year 5th SEM. I belongs to CSC AIML branch and I am the app development lead of GDSC team for 2022 to 2023, and if anyone needs any help about any of app development or any app development skills and Kotlin queries, so he can contact me. He or she can contact me. Obviously, I will help.
Isha, you are muted.
Sorry. So next we have Sanjeev Arora, our another app development lead. Please introduce yourself, Sanjeev.
Hey everyone, my name is Sanjeev Arora from third year CSE IoT branch, and I am the app development lead for academic session 2022 to 2023 for GDSC Dronacharya College of Engineering. Thank you.
Moving on, our next UI UX lead for the current batch is Sandhya Yadav. Please introduce yourself, Sandhya.
Hello, I'm Sandhya Yadav, a student of third semester AIML branch and a current UI UX lead for 2022 to 2023.
Moving on, our next lead, the event management leads for the current batch, that is Deepthi Kaushik. Please introduce yourself, Deepthi.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepthi Kaushik and I'm the event management lead for the batch 2022 to 2023. I'm a second year student in the CSE branch. Thank you. I would like to pass on to Anshul to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, I am Anshul Singh from CSE IoT branch, second year, and I am the event management lead for the year 2022 to 2023. Thank you.
Moving on, our next leads is the outreach team leads for the current batch, that is Samriddhi. Please introduce yourself, Samriddhi.
Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi. I am the outreach team lead for the current session. I am a third year CSIT student. Now I would like to invite Abhishek.
Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Kumar. I'm in the second year CSE IoT branch and I am your outreach lead for this session. I'm glad to be part of core team and very much excited. And at last, I would like to thank you. Thanks for having me.
Moving on, our next lead are the social media leads, that is Tanush Arora.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanush and I'm a second year student in CS IoT. I have been appointed as the new lead for social media team. I would like to invite Rhythm to introduce himself. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rhythm and I'm the new social media team lead for 2022 to 2023. Thank you.
Moving on, our next leads are the content team leads, and I would like to invite Sakshi to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Singh, a student of third year from the CSE branch. I am the content lead for the GDSC team. Now I would like to invite Ansh.
Hey guys, so I'm Ansh Verman of third year CSE branch and I'm the content lead for the session of 2022 to 2023. And now I would like to introduce you to Rohan. So over to you, Rohan.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I am Rohan and I'm a third year machine learning and AI student. And I'm going to be one of your content leads for 2022-2023.
Moving on, our next lead are the design team leads for the current batch. I would like to invite Kriti to introduce herself.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kriti. I am a second year student from CSE branch and I have been appointed as the design team lead for the year 2022 to 23. Now I will invite my co-team lead, Jatin, to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, Jatin was this side. I'm from third year CSC and the current design lead.
Okay, so moving on, I would like to introduce you all to our faculty in charge, Dr. Ashma Mehta. We are very grateful to have you, ma'am, as a faculty in charge. She has been the assistant professor at Gulzar Group of Institute and is currently the head of department at Dronacharya College of Engineering. Thank you for giving us this opportunity, ma'am. Moving on. Next, we have some of our previous year events for the 2020 to 2021. Kriti, please take over.
So, in the previous years, the former GDSC team has successfully completed some events, which we will see now. A virtual hackathon named COVID Hack was conducted on 28th May 2021. A virtual cloud study jam called Android Study Jam was conducted on 24th and 25th April 2021. Next slide, please. Next, from 27th to 29th May 2022, we conducted another hackathon, which was conducted offline, and it was called Hacko Relay 2022. Next, there was a cloud expo, a virtual cloud expo, which was conducted on 12th November 2021. Another event was Source Embark, which was a virtual event, and it was conducted on 28th September 2021.
Thank you, Kriti. Moving on, I would like to introduce you all to our former lead, Sejal Khanna, for the batch 2022-2021. She is currently working as an intern at One Bank Technologies Private Limited and a product enthusiast. Thank you, Sejal, for joining. I would request you to please share some knowledge.
Sure. Hi everyone. How are you? Hi Isha. I think you're the only familiar face for me right now. So thank you for having me, and it's always great to be back with GDSC. I'd say like this is one of the best opportunities that I had, and I think I had the best team to work with. We had tons of fun, tons of learning, many things that are not told to us even during, otherwise we used to get informed about them. We were much more aware. So I think use this platform to, encash it to the fullest. Make sure that you find something or the other to keep you occupied, and you can learn. Besides, one more update, I'm not an intern with One Bank anymore. I'm working with Get My Parking now. So I've become SD now. So just make sure you do update that for the next session. I'll be here anyways. You can reach out to me anytime on LinkedIn. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Sejal, for joining. We will surely update that, and congratulations for the new role. Moving on, we have our next former lead and the recently former lead of Shruti Sharma, or the lead of 2021-2022. She is currently a software development intern at Akal Information System Limited. Shruti, over to you.
Okay, so hello everyone, and my name is Shruti Sharma, and I am working as a software apprentice at Akal Information System Limited, and I was the community lead of Google Developer Student Club at DCE for the year 2021 to 2022. Thank you so much, Isha, for inviting me as a guest, and most of the core team member I've already met. They were in my team as a volunteer core team. So I'm really happy for the current batch, and I wish you all the best for the future. And for the attendees who are not as a part of core team or any of the such membership with community, I need to say that it is not always compulsory to be a core team member or a volunteer to take full advantage of the community. So it is about how much you learn in terms of the technical aspect, how you grow your technical skills during this tenure, and also how you grow your personality, because that is something that will help you when you put your life outside the college, when you really graduate and meet people one-to-one. So that's one thing that I want to share. And yeah, feel free to ask any doubts if you want to ask me. And yeah, that's all from my side, I think. Thank you, Isha, once again.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you for joining and sparing your time, both you and Sejal as well. We are very grateful to have you both. Moving on, next we have Deepti, next slide. So what are we all up to? So what basically GDSC-DC is up to? What are our future plans? So we are basically trying to have as many people connected and grow in technology. That what is our basic motto. So there are some things which we want to share that what we are planning for the coming future. That is, we are up to some very interesting projects and we are hoping to see you all there and be with us in that journey. We will organize informative webinars and sessions that will be mentored by professionals. Not only this, we will be sharing the upcoming opportunities with the community. You will also get the chance to get the guidance from experts. Also, being the part of this part of the exclusive hackathons, webinars, and communities will be a benefit of being part of GDSC-DCE. Also, you will get the chance to learn new technologies, and we will try to have an atmosphere to encourage everyone to grow as well as get more enthusiastic about learning new technologies. So that's what our basic motto is. Moving on to the next slide.
Now, you all must be wondering what are the benefits of joining Developer Student Club at Dronacharya College of Engineering. So let me tell you, there are lots of benefits of this. Which of all, you will stay informed about the recent trends and learn about different technologies. Not only this, it will increase your connections with the people around you and you'll get a chance to grow and excel in field of technology. GDSC-DCE has a motive that is connect, learn, and grow. Now, how can you connect or reach out to us? We will be giving you our social media handles, which are now available in the chat box. You can go and connect with us on each and every platform, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Discord. Make sure you connect with us as soon as possible to get all the updates.
So moving on, we will be sharing the link ASAP in the chat box. So you all can, the Linktree link. You can connect with us on our Discord, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Yeah, it is shared. So you can just, it is the quiz link. So we will be also sharing that Linktree link. So you can join from there. Also, to make this session more interesting, we have decided to have an interactive quiz. A big surprise, the person who will be on the top of the leaderboard will get an interesting prize. So the prize will not be revealed as of now, but it will be given to the person personally in the college itself. So you can go to the chat box. We have also shared the Linktree link and we have also shared the quiz link. The password or the entry or enter game code is in front of you on your screens. All you have to do is go on joinmyquiz.com and then you have to enter the number 274213. We will be waiting for 2 more minutes and then we will start with the quiz. So those who all are interested and wanna win the prize, please enter the game. And please try and enter the game with your correct names so that there won't be any confusion for us to identify who is the winner. As of now, we have around 7 people who have joined the quiz. There are total 40 plus people in the meet. I would request you all to take the opportunity to learn something new. The quiz questions are of basic level, so you all will find it really interesting. And I guess many of you will be able to answer the questions correctly. So the catch of the quiz is that whoever answers the question first will get maximum number of points. Also, just make sure that you answer the question first and answer the questions correctly. So as of now, we have 13 people, 14 people in the quiz. Let's wait till 12:56 and then we'll start with the quiz. So hurry up, everyone.
Hurry up, everyone. There will be prizes. So it's a good opportunity to join. Please have that for you.
It really feels nice to see so many people interested in GDSC and getting to know the community. So it will be great if you would take the opportunity to learn the quiz and just learn something what we have planned in a fun way. So let's see how many of you will join. 19 people as of now. The password is 274213 and the link to join is joinmyquiz.com. 20 people are there in the quiz. We are going to wait till 12:56 and then we are going to start. 21. I would request you all to join with the correct names because otherwise it would be a hassle for us to identify who is the winner. So yeah, please make sure that you join with the correct names, the original names. The person who joined the ABC, even if you win, we won't be able to reach out to you. So your prize has to be passed on. So that's why we are asking you to join with your correct names. Okay, so the time is up. We are going to start with the quiz. Shivam, you can start with the quiz.
Okay.
Yeah, so the first question will be on your screens. That is, who is the father of C language? Your options are J.J. Thomson, D.R.E. Dr. E.F. Codd, Bill Gates, Dennis Ritchie. Guys, the questions are pretty easy. You all can answer them. Just think about it and then answer. Time is up. And now let's see the leaderboard. Harsh, Rohit is on the top with 950 points. That means he have answered the question the fastest. Moving on to the next question. That is question number 2. On your screens, and that is predict the output. So this is a very basic snippet of a code. Try and guess or understand what will be the output of this particular snippet of code. Your options are on your screens. That is compiler error, 10, garbage value, none of the above. And the time is up. So on the leaderboard, we have Piyush with 1770 points at the top. So I guess many of you thought the answer was 10, but the answer was compiler error. We will be sharing the quiz with you all in a form of presentation as well. So you can get, or actually the particular this question, you can also go on our YouTube channel and you can just see the question which you have answered incorrectly. And then we can even have a conversation about that. So moving on, the third question on your screens. The third question which we have is, what is the most effective way to secure your password? And your options are encryption, use Windows Firewall as enabled, usage of Google Authenticator, or lengthen it. I'm sure you must know how to secure your password, so it is a pretty obvious question. And your time is going to be up in now. So let's see who is topping the leaderboard right now. And it's Piyush with 1770 points. Then you guys can obviously buck up right now. This is the time when you answer your questions faster than everyone. The next question we have is, what does the internet acronym ROFL stands for? And your options are relation on floor language, rolling on the floor laughing, road of full lips, and round of first line. I don't think the second option is the right answer for it. What do you guys think about it? Let's see the leaderboard. I'm guessing many people will get it right. Okay. So Piyush is on the top right now, following Arpana and Rohit. Next question we have is, what common element is used in the manufacture of computer chips? And your options are copper, golf, silicon, or germanium. Guys, I guess golf was a sport and not an element. Like, what do you guys think? What can be the right answer for this? This is a pretty interesting question though. And your time is up.
We have our leaderboard right over here. And Piyush is still on the top. It seems Piyush is gonna win. Next question is.
The sixth question we have is, what do you call the outline screen of the monitor? The options are outline, edges, bezels, or outmat. And the time is up. So now let's have a look on the leaderboard. Piyush with 4280 points. Next question we have is, what will be the best sorting algorithm given that the array elements are small? The options for the question are bubble sort, merge sort, counting sort, or heap sort. An easy question indeed. I think most of you might know it. The time is up, guys. On the leaderboard here we see, again, Piyush is leading the leaderboard with 4280 points. The correct answer we have is counting sort. The next question we have is, what function is used to append a character at the back of a string in C++? The options are push underscore back, append, push, or insert. 3 more seconds to go. 1, and the time's up. Here we see on the leaderboard, Rohit is on the leaderboard now with 4370 points. Well done, Rohit.
So guys, moving on to the ninth question. That is the second last question. So try and guess the answer, or try to answer the question as correctly as fast as possible. Question is on your screen. It is again a snippet code. So try and guess the output. Your options are 3, 21. And these are basic DSA questions. I guess third year has done most of it. And second year is also, I know that my audience is pretty much really inclined towards technology. So they must have completed many of the questions. So with that, the answer is 321. Moving on. The last question for the day is on your screens right now. That is, which of the following is not a type of cloud server? Your options are public cloud servers, private cloud servers, dedicated cloud servers, or merged cloud servers. So I guess if you want to explore cloud, we will be also introducing many more events on cloud as well in the coming future. If you are interested in cloud, in other technologies, feel free to ping us. And with this, we are completed with the quiz, and we will be announcing the winner at the end of the day, and it will be posted on our social media handles. You can check it on our Snapchat or on our Instagram stories and LinkedIn stories. So with that, let's move on with the session. So to know what you all want and what are your areas of interest, let's have a poll. So next slide. So what actually you people have to do in the poll is, you have to tell us in the chat box which of the following technologies or domains you people are interested in. Your options are web and app, cloud and cybersecurity, ML AI, AR VR, and IoT. So guys, feel free to use the chat box. We are looking at your answers. Please let us know what kind of technology are you interested in, so that we can have much more sessions and events planned on that technology. Like, I personally enjoy web development, so that is something which interests me. What are your particular interests?
Guys, you can write in the chat.
Like Abhishek's interest is ML AI. You all also are free to answer. We are looking at your answers and we will be unsure. Yeah, so whatever you are interested in, please drop your answer, guys. Osham says cloud and cybersecurity. So yeah, we will be looking at much more events. We'll be trying to plan those events in the coming future. Basically, guys, your feedback will be really important to us because we will be planning our events accordingly. Tisha also feels cloud and cybersecurity is her interest. AR, VR for Harsh Bhardwaj. So it feels nice to see you people so interactive in the chat. I really want to know what are your areas of interest so that we can look about it in the coming future. So if the guest users cannot message in the chat box, just a second. I also have like you maybe haven't joined the Teams. We are sharing the Teams link. We will wait for you guys to join for another 1 minute. Anshul, share the Teams link in the chat box. You can join the Teams. We will accept your request as now, and then accordingly you will be able to answer in the chat. Anshul have shared the Teams link. You can join from there. So let's wait for 1 minute because I guess many of you haven't joined the Teams. That's why you cannot access the chat. So let's wait for another second. So we are waiting till 1-8, and then we will till 1-9, and then we will move on with the poll. So let's see. Like just in case if you guys cannot join because you are from another you don't have the GGN Dronacharya email ID, so that is something which we cannot do anything about, but you can text us on our social media handles about your areas of interest. The people who can access the chat, you can you can write it down in the chat box. So if you want, you can even unmute your mics if you feel that you cannot access the chat box, but one by one. If you want to share
Yeah, I
something.
think Monstack.
Sorry?
Monstack.
Okay. Anand says web and app. So let's move on with the poll. The next slide, please. So what type of event are you more interested in attending? So your options are informative session, boot camps, and hackathons. So what kind of events do you want us to prepare for you people? Like, do you want us to have informative sessions or boot camps or hackathons? So you can just, boot camps. Okay. You can also write it in chat box because we will be taking into consideration what your opinions are, and accordingly we will plan our future events. Hackathons, boot camps. I see many of you are really interested in hackathons. So surely you'll be conducting a hackathon too. And for that, you have to stay tuned with us to our social media handles. You will be getting all information through our social media handles. Informative sessions. Okay, great. So moving on to the next slide. That is, what language should be used in an informative session? Like native, that is Hindi, English, or both? Like what language would you prefer the speakers or the organizers to use. Like, I guess many of you are comfortable in both the languages, but just for a insight, we want to know what kind of language should be used in the coming sessions. Okay, so you all agree that both can be used, so that's fine. Moving on to the next, that is, in what technology are you interested in? It is just similar to the first question which we did, but that was we have given you particular options, but this is where you can write about the technology which we haven't mentioned. Like, if you are interested in something different, you can also write it in the chat box. We are up for taking suggestions, and we are up for organizing events on any technology or any uh, you know thing you wanna get help from us. We are up for it. So full
I
stack
think
is
Web
one.
3 is something new.
Okay, web
After
development,
full
I
stack,
guess.
we can see Web 3.
Okay, Web 3. Web 3, full stack development. I guess you people are really interested in web development. So we will surely have one event for that. Also, you can connect to our leads, that is Mukul Sansanwal. And also, we have our web development leads in the meet. So you can even connect to them. Feel free to reach out to them. They will try and answer as many questions they can if you have any doubt regarding development. So also we like just introducing, just just telling you all that who all are the leads. So web development lead, we have Mukul Sansanwal and Shivam. Then app development lead, we have Harsh Vatsal and Sanjeev Arora. So you all can reach out to them. For UI UX, you also have Sandhya. So if you have any queries regarding these particular, you can reach out to them. If you want us to have events on another things, you can reach out to me as well. We will try to answer as many questions and queries. So yeah, that's it. Moving on to the next slide. Choose from the below, like what type of learning would you people prefer? That is project-based learning or theoretical learning? Like what learning would you guys prefer? So you can write it down in the chat box. You can unmute your mics, but in a nice manner. Project-based, I see.
PBL.
Okay. So we will be doing many more events. That's what I'm just saying, that we have shared the Linktree link in the chat box. We will share it again. So you can connect to us through our social media handles. And if you have any doubt regarding any technology and you have any ideas, you can just feel free to reach out to us. Okay, moving on to the next slide. So with this, thank you everyone for joining. If you have any more questions, you can unmute yourself or you can write it in the chat box and we will answer it. Any questions? I guess me and my team have cleared most of the aspects and points which you people might have had confusion regarding GDSC. So if you have any other queries or doubts regarding GDSC, you can either reach out to us on our social media handles. You can either text me on my WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram. I'm always up for helping everybody out. Other than that, you can also reach out to us on our social media. We will mostly conversing with our Discord channel. So with this, thank you everyone for joining. If you have any other questions, unmute yourself or you all can leave. Thank you everyone for sparing your time and you all can leave. Thank you.